welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Nick. I want to wish you all a happy new year, and I hope you all had an amazing new year and that y'all are ready to tackle all of your goals and to live in your God-given purpose this year and moving forward. As long as God gives you breath in your body, pray and ask that His will is aligned in your plans, or that your plans are aligned with His will. Yes, so we're going back to the Caribbean side of me to start out this new year. So now this curry chicken recipe. This was taught to me by my aunt, which then gave it to my uncle, which then gave it to me. So y'all, today we're gonna be making curry chicken, Jamaican curry chicken, and we are just gonna dive right in. I'm using legs that I cut in half. We have some legs, we have a red pepper, a yellow pepper, an onion, we have some garlic, onion, paprika, parsley, black pepper, seasoning salt, curry powder. Now this is the curry powder that I love to use. This is the one that she recommended. I got it off of Amazon. It was like $11.99, but it's definitely worth it. And I got my Dutch pot. I got my green onions, y'all. I'm super excited. We're gonna make this marinate overnight. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and let's get cooking. All right, y'all, before we move forward, I wanna give a huge shout out to MJ Drinks for these drinks. Thank you so much. They taste so good. They're refreshing. They have so many different flavors. I encourage you all to go check them out on Instagram. Purchase from them. Their Instagram link is going to be right here. MJ Drinks, MJENDRINKS. They taste so good. They're so refreshing. They have different benefits for each of the drinks. We have pineapple guava here. We have sorrel blast. We have pineapple sunshine. We have beetroot infusion. Check them out. Purchase from them. They're so great, and I don't regret buying from them. Thank you so much again, MJ Drinks, for these drinks. All right, y'all, so for my favorite part, the seasoning, because this makes a huge factor in how your food is gonna taste. All right, so I have 6 drumsticks that I cut in half, so I have 12 pieces, because 6 times 2 is 12, 12 divided by 2 is 6. All right, and then I have 6 stems of green onions, and then I have my half of red bell pepper, and then I have my yellow bell pepper, and then, or yellow pepper, whatever. And then I have a half of white onions. So these are going to be my, I guess, vegetables or whatever. That's not the dry seasoning that I'm gonna put in there. But I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get started with my dry seasoning. So first and foremost, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start with the seasoning salt. All right, so I'm using Lowry seasoning salt. You can use whatever seasoning salt you prefer. Today, I'm gonna use the Lowry's. And I kept the skin on my chicken because I wanted to. And that looks like it's a good amount of seasoning because the curry powder also has some salt in there, so I don't want my curry chicken to be too salty. And if you taste it while you're cooking it, you can always add some more seasoning as you wish. Then I'm gonna add my garlic powder, my onion powder, paprika, parsley, paprika, cool. And then I'm going to add some ground black pepper. This is going to give it a nice spice because I like my curry chicken to have some spice to it. I want it to kick. Ooh. So I'm gonna put a little more black pepper because I love black pepper. And then after that, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna save the curry powder for last. I'm gonna go ahead and add in my green onion. Jamaicans also refer to as scallion. I'm gonna add my bell pepper. Then I'm gonna add this, my onion. Ooh, look at that. That's gonna be such a nice color. Last but not least, I'm going to add my curry powder. Ooh, yes. I'm just gonna pour. I know I should probably have like a tablespoon measurement, but like I said, y'all, I'm just pouring right now. All right, and then I'm gonna go ahead and mix it up. now that my chicken is all seasoned up, I'm gonna make this all marinate overnight. And I'm gonna come back tomorrow so it's all seasoned up, and then we're gonna continue with part 2 of this video. Hey, y'all, what is up? Welcome to another day. So I have my curry chicken marinating overnight. It looks so good. It smells really good as well. So what I'm gonna do first of all is I'm gonna just go ahead and I'm gonna throw it in some oil just to get it brown, and then I'm gonna simmer it down. I'm gonna show y'all the process, of course, but I just want y'all to know that's what I'm gonna do. All right, y'all, so after browning my chicken on each side for about 2 to 3 minutes, it depends how high your stove is as well, but mine was on medium. I went ahead and I put the chicken in the Dutch pot, and I already had a pot of boiling water so that I didn't mix up the temperature since the chicken was already hot. I just wanted to also add some hot water onto it because I heard that if you add cold water, it can still not process, something like that. Something on the told me that she heard from somebody. But yeah, so I went ahead and did that, and I put my timer on for 50 minutes. Because 50, so I can go ahead and check on my curry chicken after that, and I'll be right back with y'all to give y'all some updates. All right, y'all, so after an hour and 10 minutes, it's time to add in my carrots. Gonna add in some carrots. And I'm also adding in 1 Scotch bonnet pepper. And I'm gonna stir it together. All right, y'all, so I got my curry chicken, I got my rice, the little tower, I was trying to make it look all presentable and whatnot. It didn't fell over. My plantains. Oh, y'all look at that curry chicken, how it looks so nice and yellow, and you see what that browning did early when I fried it? It gives it a nice little brown crisp to it. Oh, y'all, I am so ready to dig into this. All right, y'all, so thank you so much for checking out yet another video with your boy. Please make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of the latest content. And until the next video, y'all, please stay safe, stay happy, stay blessed. Tell someone that you love them, and I will see you all later. Oh, my food's ready.